Okay guys, we are going to learn about the ternary operator, which is represented by a question mark followed by a colon. It's a replacement to using an if-else statement. If you write a condition then add a question mark, kind of like you are asking a question, is something true? If that condition is true, we can do something, okay? And if it's false, we do some other code. Here an example, we have a grade. Okay, let's go ahead and type grade, int grade. Let's consider it 75. Okay, and for example, first we will complete this with the if and else condition. Then we will go ahead and check how we can use the play at the place of if and else statement, that ternary operator. If grade is greater and equal to 60, okay, then let's go ahead and print std cout your pass, okay, and else your fail. Okay, if grade is greater than or equal to 60, I will output you pass, else output you fail. My grade is 75, therefore I pass. Correct. Another way of writing this is to use the ternary operator. First we'll write a condition, so let's get rid of this, okay, and use the ternary operator. Okay, we will first write a condition, grade is equal to 60. Okay, then we will ask a question, there would be question mark, then we will type std, okay, cout you pass, okay, and colon, okay, and we have to write else condition right here, okay, cout you fail, okay, and now semicolon. Just control S and hit run. See, there you are, you got you pass. Why you have received this message? Because your percentage is greater than 60, right? Because of that you pass. If I'll go and make this 55, okay, just make it 55, control S and hit run. Then what should be the answer? Answer should be you fail. Okay, there you are, you fail. This is very simple, you can write in a single line, right? You don't need to use if else condition right here, just in a single line. Let's just do comment this line and we will do one interesting example. Let's check to see if a number is even or odd. Okay, just write int number is equal to 9. Okay, just let's check and if number is even or odd. Okay, in order to check that, we can do one thing, number, okay, modulo sign by 2, modulo 2 number, okay, that should be equal to 1, right? For equal we have to use 2 equal sign. We will check if number modulus 2, remember, gives you the reminder of any division. Does number divide by 2 evenly? So this written 1 or a 0 if number modulus 2 is equal to 1 question mark. Okay, just go ahead, right here question mark. Okay, Now go ahead and print your message see out, just in order to make it little fast. Okay, just control S, odd or even. If it would be true, then it will give odd. If it will be false, it will give even. Okay, let's hit run. There you are, it's giving odd, because once you will do modulo of 9, then what will be the answer? Because 9 is not going to divide it by or modulo by 2. Okay, because of that you are getting odd. Just change, go ahead and change 9 to 8, then see what happened. Now it should give even, right? Because you can divide 8 by 2, that would be 0, right? I am on, sorry, it's even number, right? 9, 8 is even number, 9 is odd number. Okay, let's examine a boolean variable bull. How about hungry? Okay, just go ahead and do the comment this line and we will examine here boolean function. Okay, boolean variable, let's take bull hungry. If it's true, okay, then hungry is equal to true question mark, then we will print you are hungry. Okay, and if it's not, then we can go ahead and print you are not hungry, right? Okay, if it's true, then it will give you you are hungry. If it's false, then it will give you you are full. Okay, let's try. Save the program, hit run. There you are hungry. Let's change the status of this. Okay, let's change true to false. Okay, save the program, hit run. Now it should give you you are full, right? There you are full, right? If you are examining to see if a boolean variable is true, you don't necessarily need equal true. You can just say that boolean variable hungry question mark, like you are asking a question. So if hungry is true, we will do the standard as we have done, right? And I'll set to, as we have seen that we have set it to true, right? And we have seen how it works, right? Yeah, everybody, that's the ternary operator. Everybody, it's a question mark followed by a colon. You write condition as you are asking a question. If that condition is true, you do some expression, and if not, you do some other expression. It's a replacement to an if else statement. Your assignment is to post a use of the ternary operator in the comment section. And well, yeah, that's the ternary operator, everybody. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.